tech support for staff comes in one of two urgency levels. The first one I call rapid response, and then everything else that's less urgent. Rapid response is when your lesson plan is about to completely fall apart because of technological failure, and you need somebody to look at your problem right away. So let's talk about how to get rapid response help first. If you are working at home, the best way to get urgent rapid response tech support is to call the LCPS Tech Support Center at 571-252-2112. If you're in the building, you'll want to contact the main office in order to get rapid response tech support. Every classroom should have a phone that calls within the school. For rapid response tech support, when the technology fails and your lesson plan is in danger, this is considered a non-emergency for the directions. And the directions say for a non-emergency to pick up the receiver, dial 0, and the pound or hashtag key. This will connect you with the main office. The main office will then use their radio or office phones to find James or myself to come help you. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the emergency function of the phone. Again, this is not for tech support, but just in case you need to know this. The directions say for an emergency to pick up the receiver and press the orange button. Now, on this particular phone, the markings of the buttons have faded. The orange button is the third one from the bottom. And if you look closely, there was some orange highlight there at one point. The green button that's referred to cancel the request is actually not the green button on the bottom, but the second one, so the one up from the green. And if you look at that one, that's got some darker highlight that was green at one point. Now remember, rapid response tech support is not considered an emergency for purposes of the phone. I'm just telling you this in case you need it. For less urgent tech support, there are a few different options for getting help. Between James and I, one of us is usually in the building between 8 a.m. and 4:30 p.m., although while COVID restrictions remain in place, we prefer that you not stop by the library unless you've made prior arrangements with us. Because James and I are not in a good position to monitor who is coming in and out of the library, we are keeping the library doors locked whenever the librarians are not available. If you need tech support while the library doors are locked, please ring the doorbell. If we are in the library and available, we will come open the door for you. If you believe something is broken or malfunctioning, you can put in a service request in the Support Center service catalog. Most of the categories in the Support Center service catalog will send a notification directly to James, or they will send a notification to another person in DDI who specializes in that category. If you'd like help learning how to use any type of technology in the school, you'd like help with lesson planning or any other professional development needs, there is a link to my appointment calendar in my email signature and in LCPS Go, where you can schedule a block of time just for you or a small group. It's true that James and I provide different types of tech support, but we don't expect you to always know which type of tech support you need. It's better, if you're not sure, to just reach out to one of us. And if it's the wrong person, we'll get you connected with the other one or to another person or resource that you need to help you out with whatever problem you're having. I know that returning to the building is a stressful time for a lot of you, and I hope that this YouTube series on technology for hybrid learning has been helpful. Are there topics that I haven't covered that you would like me to? Please let me know. If you haven't seen some of the videos in this Technology for Fiber Learning series, and you're watching this video in YouTube, then a link to the rest of the playlist should be appearing on the left. And I am still going to put out more videos on YouTube for educational technology. So consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell so you're always getting the latest in John Champ Technology News.